Hi friends, I am Deepak, NRI, living and working in USA. This year, India bravely fought global pandemic. India showed great resilience, demonstrated the strength of the system and stability of the policies which are driven by great leadership of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji. India is investing heavily to improve infrastructure and most importantly, digital infrastructure. Infrastructure is one of the critical components for attracting foreign investment. As a country, Bharat has a lot of potential and Honorable Modi ji's vision of Bharat as one of the biggest manufacturing powerhouse and preferred investment hub is a well-planned economy strategy. And many initiatives are taken to improve and introduce many investor-friendly policies. But at grassroots level, there are still some gaps and loopholes between policies and executions. The notorious people uses to take advantage of vulnerable NRIs and foreign investors. For example, take my case. I have opened a school in India to provide higher education. For this, I purchased land, formed a trust, did the construction, and started a school in year 2013. My Indian counterpart, to whom I paid a reasonable amount of salary during and after establishment of the school, trying to illegally grab the school. Keeping school's earning in his pocket, forging my signatures, and replaced all staff hired by me. In year 2014, I registered the FIR, police submitted the charge sheet, he surrendered in the court and then later released on a bail. I filed civil suit as well for the management of the school. I got the direction from the Honorable High Court for speedy resolution for both criminal and civil cases. All these made no change. From past 7 years, neither civil nor criminal cases are moving. My counterpart is still keeping the money in his pocket and now he has increased the criminal conspiracies to grab the schools manifold. One of the many examples. Last year, he has opened a bank account on the name of the school in some nationalized bank account with some fake society. That society has no link to my school or trust. He's using this account to steal school's earning, misleading states and central education department. I went to these education department. They neither helped nor gave me the document submitted by my trust. I have registered my grievances using PG portal opened by Honorable Modi ji and Uttar Pradesh NRI portal inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi ji with the request to register the FIR. But now police is refusing to register any FIR, education department not willing to enforce their norms, banks are not taking due diligence in account opening and slow moving judiciary system making my fight bit challenging. This disgraces the small investor like me because we don't have enough resources to deal with these kind of issues. Past 7 years of valuable time, energy, resources and money could have been contributed in development, progress, employment and opening of many more schools in India. A small administrative help at ground level could have been very help to resolve these issues much faster. I had investors lined up to invest in India, but after seeing my example, all got scared. To match Modi's vision with execution at grassroots level and to attract foreign investment, we need to provide safety of foreign investment and speedy resolution of these grassroots issues. After this, many investors will follow. Global investor community will have more confidence in India's future. Return will be there with reliability and safety, and India will be the place of preferred investment destination. This global pandemic, even though a saddest and most devastating thing happened to the whole world, but at the same time it has given India a great opportunity to invite foreign investors who are looking to diversify their manufacturing center. With India's great pool of human resource, a great pool of Deshbhakt NRI investors, and Honorable Modi ji's focus on infrastructure, investor friendly policies, and ground level safety and speedy resolution of the issue will prove India is safest and excellent place to invest. Bharat will flourish like no country ever did. No matter which foreign country we NRI live in, by heart we are and always be proud Indian. And we believe in that as this is the great reflection of socially rich and culturally advanced nation that we all cherish. India is becoming economically strong as Honorable Modi ji said, Atmanirbhar. An exciting period of growth is ahead and we NRI foreign investor want to be the part of it. Now to all the viewers, I request you, Please share this video so it can reach to right bureaucrat and policy maker who can take my example as a case study and work on the problems that foreign investor and NRI faces at ground level. Let's make India great together. मोदी जी हैं तो मुमकिन है. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Thank you.